Does innovative Aerosystems have 80% upside potential from here? Let's find out. If you want to make money in the stock market, I'll show you exactly what to look for. In this video, we'll touch on 4 things. Number 1, what do they do? We need to understand the business model. Number 2, how do they make money? We like businesses with multiple streams of income. Number 3, we'll look at the latest news. That's important because we have to understand if now is a good time to buy. And number 4, we'll look at Tykr. Tykr saves us a lot of time, essentially reducing hours, if not days of research down to seconds. And stay to the end, I'll let you know what I plan on doing with this stock. All right, let's get to it. Number 1, what do they do? So they design and manufacture the computers and screens that go into aircraft cockpits. Some of their biggest customers include Boeing, Pilatus, and the US Department of Defense. Number 2, how do they make money? Well, they really have 2 main divisions. They have business or commercial, which is about 84% of the revenue, and then they have the military, which is about 16% of revenue. They focus on the F-16 aircraft with Lockheed Martin. All right, moving on to number 3, a lot of good news here for investors. First off, revenue grew from 47 million to 84 million. They recently bought the S-Tech Model 3100, which is avionics systems for small aircrafts and helicopters. That expands their product line, allowing them to make even more money. They announced a big deal with Honeywell, acquiring legacy product lines in integrated cockpit avionics and aircraft electrical power generation. That deal alone is projected to add about 10 million in recurring revenue. Their commercial and business segment is skyrocketing. It grew by 69% alone over the last year. And the last point here is, why did this share price fall from about $30 down to about $18? Well, the reason is there was a big spike in research and development for their Liberty. It's the Liberty Autonomous Flight Deck platform, along with one-time transaction fees from Honeywell. This is one of those circumstances I talked about in other videos. It's an overreaction. If you're an investor, I would not freak out on this, that massive share price drop. Again, this is one of those situations where a lot of large financial institutions, those are the companies that really move share prices up and down the most, they're looking for a major excuse to sell off. What happens is when there's a sell-off, that's when a lot of other people have fear, and then they sell off more, causing the share price to drop even more and create a great buying opportunity. So that's what I'm looking at right here. The share price dropped from about 30 down to about 18, huge sell-off. Nothing wrong with the company, really no bad news. And that leads up to, let's take a look at Tykr to really confirm what's going on here. All right, jumping into Tykr, here we go. And if you are curious, when you join Tykr, you can see that our calculations are open source for personal use. But here we go. This stock right off the bat is on sale. Stocks in Tykr are either on sale, watch, or overpriced. That's green, gray, or red. And only about 15% of stocks make it to on sale. Next up, the financial score here, you want to be over 50. We look at the growth rates of revenue, net income, EPS. It's highly rigorous. If you can get over 50, that's really good. Here, we see a 91, very impressive. Next up, margin of safety. This is the upside potential of the stock. See that share price looking at $90. You want a margin of safety of 50% or higher. So we can check that box as well. Scrolling down, we look at the 4M confidence booster. This is powered by AI. This in itself could take you hours, if not days of research. We reduce it down to seconds. You want to get an 80 or higher. This is at a 91. And the last score we'll look at is the 7. It's essentially the easy button. Most customers that use Tykr, they really just look at the 7. Again, rolls up everything. If you can get a 5, 6, or 7, you're essentially in the top 1% to 2% stocks in the market. Highly rigorous, very difficult to get to. And we can see here that innovative Aerosystems has a 6 out of 7. And get this, out of the 50,000 stocks in Tykr, only about 300 make it to a score of 6 out of 7. All right, now let's scroll down to the 5-year chart. We can see here the high was around 29, somewhere around $30, and then it dropped down to, like I said earlier, about 18. If you go to the 1 year, let's take a closer look here. This will give you a better idea. So from here, can the share price jump back up to, let's say, 30, $35? I definitely believe it can hit that within the next year. Of course, no promises, but I believe it can. And the reason is their financials are fantastic and there's no bad news on this company. Again, the 7, they've got a 6 out of 7. That's very difficult to get to. Well, I'll give you a little tip here if you're kind of new to investing. Here's what can really trigger the share price to take off again. So when you have every earnings call every quarter, the 2 things that move the share prices up and down the most are the EPS, that's essentially the profits of the company. You want to see it increasing, and you want to see them beating their earnings estimate at the same time. So check this out. Let's go down to the income statement here in Tykr. Make sure this is toggled onto quarterly, and then go to EPS. EPS is the number 1 most important line on the financial statements. We do know that their profitability has been decreasing, which is why there's been that sell-off. But if we can see this EPS start to turn around, you can see here it went from 40 cents down to 23 cents, down to 19. In this case, let's see it turn around and take off to, let's say, 25 cents or 30. That's going to help the share price take off. And at the same time, if they're beating their estimate like they are here, we can see the estimate and the reported. We want to see those reports coming in and beating those expectations, essentially beating those estimates. So again, those 2 points, see the EPS increasing and see them beating their earnings estimates. That can cause a share price to take off like a rocket. And knowing that all their financials are great, they don't have any bad news on the company, this stock could rocket. Again, like I said, I believe it could hit 80% in the next year, maybe a little longer, but it's not going to take too long. Once this company starts turning around the profits, that's what large institutions really want to see. Highly profitable company and seeing those profits increase quarter over quarter. All right, when is the next earnings report? Well, you can go back to the earnings calendar and you can see here the target date is somewhere around August 12th. All right, leading up to the last point of the video, what am I doing with this stock? Well, I don't own this stock, but it is on my watch list. It is one of my favorite stocks. I've got about 100 stocks. This is probably in my top 10 to 20. I know that getting into the aviation world is very difficult. There's just a lot of rules and regulations with aircraft, and they've got a stronghold here. In fact, if you go to the details tab, you can see here, their IPO was back in the year 2000. So they've been a public company for 26 years, and that's a long track record for a company like this. So yeah, I really like this stock. Again, one of my favorites on my watch list, not buying today, but with the share price being down like it is now, this is a very strong stock and a potential buying opportunity. All right, I'd love to hear what you have to say. Let me know where you believe this share price is going in the next year. If you stayed to the end, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. If you want to see the latest ratings on this stock and more, you can join Tykr for free. Of course, don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you hear. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.